Hey Dramalist family, it's February, the month of love, romance, and heart fluttering moments. And what better way to celebrate than with 13 upcoming BL series that will steal your heart? Whether you are cuddling up with your Valentine, enjoying self love being sessions, or simply craving snooze worthy romance, this list has something for every BL lover out there. From sweet and fluffy love stories to intense dramatic romances. Get ready to fall in love all over again. So, grab your favorite snacks, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the most anticipated BL dramas of February 2025. Catman. Catman is a highly anticipated upcoming BL series starring fan favorite Gap Jakarin and Pentai Natahainit from The Secret of Us. It released on February 1st, 2025 on CH3 Thailand social media's account. This real homemade drama promises a captivating romance that will keep viewers hooked. With the chemistry of two stars already sparks excitement, fans can't wait to see them in action once again. Don't miss out on this short form, highly engaging love story. Can't wait to see these two together again. Gap and Pentai are an unstoppable duo already hooked. With You. With You is the first Korean BL series of this month. This series is going to release on February 6, 2025. From Love Mary Production, With You is a heartfelt BL romance starring Kim Yo Ho from His Man 3 reality show. This series follows two souls from different backgrounds as they navigate love, self discovery, and the courage to embrace the unknown. Will they overcome their past and find their way to each other? Get ready for an emotional journey filled with longing, acceptance, and undeniable chemistry. Heartstein. Heartstein is Korean BL series going to premieres on February 6, 2025. The story follows a high school senior, Yoo Ha-yeon, hides a secret crush on his homeroom teacher until his best friend Do-ha makes a shocking offer, date me until graduation. What starts as a distraction soon turns into something deeper in this heartfelt Friends to Lover BL based on AG's hit webtoon starring BXB Hamin and Kim Jo-ho. Heartstein is set to steal hearts this February. You can watch it on Gaga Ulala. Yeah, finally a new Korean BL. Can't wait. What's about you? Fight for Love. Fight for Love is a BL drama from Vietnam. In Fight for Love, An Bien hides behind a mask, too self conscious about his childhood burn scars, to chase his musical dreams. Enter Minha Tang, bold and fearless, who turn his world upside down. A fateful encounter sparks a heartfelt journey of love, healing, and courage. Starring Nguyen Thai Khan, Nguyen Thai Ha, and Pam Tae Park from Stupid Genius. This RL Studio drama promises humor, emotion, and inspiration. Catch it on YouTube starting February 7, 2025. What are your thoughts on this upcoming BL series? Drop your excitement below. Gel Boys. From the visionary director of I Told Sunset About You, Gel Boys is coming of age Thai BL miniseries with a fresh and indie vibe. High schooler Formod can't resist Chan's flirty invitation to get their nails done until he realizes he's not the only one. In an attempt to spark jealousy, he seeks the help of his best friend Babin. Starring PJ Mahidol, New Chayapak, Leon Jack, and Pida Munthapum. This 6 episode romance promises deep emotion, stunning aesthetics, and a story that goes beyond typical BL tropes. Fans are calling it a masterpiece in the making. Exclusive Love, a heartwarming yet dramatic Taiwanese BL series, where love unfolds between an elegant master and a ghost fearing hire, while a wedding planner secretly battles his feeling for the groom. With Parker Mao, Chang Chi Seng, Hasawe Tessie, Pu Jingheng leading the cast. Exclusive Love promises intense emotions, heartfelt moment, and unexpected twist. Don't miss this beautifully written romance between love, loss, and second chances. Going to release on February 14th, 2025 on IQIYI. The Last Time. Heartbreaking yet beautiful. The Last Time follows Ryu, a talented writer whose world falls apart after losing his longtime girlfriend in a terrible accident. In grief, he finds an unexpected light in Arm, the charming grandson of his boss. Just as love starts to heal him, fate delivers another cruel blow. Rules is diagnosed with cancer. Arm, refusing to let go, dedicates himself to Ryu. But a shocking truth may end up pulling them apart. When Ryu vanished, old Arm is left with his mysterious box and the heartbreaking answers inside. Will love survive, or is this truly the last time? Bali hai. Heartbreak leads to unexpected connection in Bali High. When a famous YouTuber departs to Kolan after his ex-wedding news break him, his path crosses with a struggling young worker who just lost his job. As they go through pain, dreams, and breathtaking islands backdrop, will this chance meeting turn into something more? Starring James Nathapon and Tempo Jiravut. This romantic Thai BL is set to bring warmth and healing. Are you excited for this heartfelt island drama? Jack and Joker's special episodes. The most awaited Jack and Joker special episode is finally here, airing on February 2nd, 2025. This romantic BL stars our beloved Yinfa in what fans are calling the wedding of the year. This one episode special is sure to win hearts with its touching plot and stunning visuals. Catch it exclusively on IQIYI and enjoy the magic of Jack and Joker like never before. Black Valentine. Black Valentine is an exclusive new Thai BL series set to air on February 14th, 2025, featuring Nat Sirapov and JJ Ratchapon. This romance will keep you on the edge of your seat as secrets unfold under the mysterious red tent. Get ready to taste love's true flavor in this highly anticipated BL series. Fans are catch it exclusively on tansansu.official on TikTok. Can't wait for February 14th. The chemistry is unreal. This is gonna be the perfect Valentine Bing. Secret Relationship. Secret Relationship is a BL drama from Kissable Lips director that is packed with romance, drama, and heartbreaking emotions. Daon, a clever yet sensible worker, is always in conflict with his colleague Sang Hyun until a family crisis unexpectedly brings them closer. Thrown between his growing feelings for Sang Hyun and lingering emotion for his former tutor, Jamin, Da-on must navigate love, secret, and survival. Adapted from the beloved webtoon, this highly antiseptic series promises deep emotions and intense chemistry. Will Da-on find love or lose everything? Fans are hoping for at least 12 episodes. Sashes and hearts, love, lie, and secrets collide in the glittering world of male pageantry. As tough competitors battle for the crown, unexpected romance sparks behind the scenes. Will ambitions tear them apart, or will love regain supremes? Starring Jiricho Del Rosario, Hira Simoji, and Mark Alonso. This Fallopian BL drama is set to bring intense emotions and breathtaking moments this February. My Golden Blood. My Golden Blood is the must watch BL series of February 2025. Yeah, I'm not sure for its releasing date yet. Mark, an immortal vampire, has never found meaning in his endless existence until he met Thong, a student with rare blood that vampires crave. Thong becomes Mark's reason to live, and now he must protect him at all cost. This thrilling supernatural love story between a vampire and his attractive prey promises suspense, drama, and a touch of forbidden romance. Fans are eagerly awaiting this long anticipated series, saying, waiting is good, well, thinking we're gonna get the series soon, but I I need the trailer soon. And there you have it, Ramalas family, the top 13 BL series you absolutely can't miss this February. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Drama List. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep watching.